What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Tyler. Back there we got the sandworm. Today we're going to be installing some dome lights. Um, a lot of you have asked to see how we take the covers off so that we can get the lights out. Um, and I'll show you which lights I purchased, and I'll also link them below. But before we get started, make sure you like and subscribe, and let's hop in the truck and get started. So it's a little dark here in the truck, but I wanted to test these lights out at night, and I'll show you which ones I got. So I ordered these off of Amazon. They are from Auxbeam. I went with Auxbeam because they sponsored my ditch lights, and I love the ditch lights, so I figured I'd give them a shot with the dome lights. I did order 2 packs because they only come with 2 bulbs, and we've got the rear and the front to do. We'll just do the front for now, just so I can show you guys how to take this cover off, and get these installed. Hopefully these are the right size. I kind of guessed, but I went with red for a couple reasons. For one, driving at night, red is known to not affect your night vision. So when your eyes adjust to the dark, red's not going to mess that up. So you're not going to have your eyes won't have to readjust. Also, red does not attract bugs. So that's a couple reasons why I went with red, and also because it's cool. But let's go ahead and see if we can pop these covers off. Now, I've popped other covers off before in other trucks, and usually you just take a little pry tool and you just pop the plastic out. I got a knife here, so hopefully that's what we're going to do. I'm going to turn the camera around, and hopefully I can do this one-handed. Okay, so let me see here. Okay, so what we want to do is should be able to pry these open. Yep, there we go. There's one. Yep. And they just pop off like that. And then it looks like we've got the right size, so should be able to just, ooh, that's kind of a tight. That's kind of an odd fit right there. So that's going to be the hard part, is trying to get your fingers up in there to get that out. I might have to get me some like small. Actually, I have some in the truck. Keep a multi-tool on deck. Obviously, you don't want to squeeze too hard, especially because I'm underneath this bulb. So, probably should wear just in case I bust the glass out. Okay, that came out easy. So yeah, you might need some needle nose pliers to get those out, but I'm gonna install this other one. This one's easier. Once you get this one pried open, you can stick your fingers in here and you can, yeah, yep, and just pull those down and they come straight down. I should have probably, ow, that's hot. Okay, should have probably turned that off before I popped the cover out. So I'm actually going to pop this cover back in so I can turn that light off. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so let that cool down, and I'm going to replace these and then show you guys the end result. I just wanted to show you guys that the upper light is the new LED and the bottom is the factory. They are the same size, so I'll link these down below. There's different color options, but let's go ahead and I'll show you. This is the last one. I'll show you how to install this real quick. So you want it flat like this way, and then you kind of just, it's kind of awkward. But once you have that worked in there, and yeah. Okay. Yeah, see, I might have to use my left hand. Let's see. Should be able to. This is just an awkward position. Dang it. Okay. Well, anyways, guys, this is how that installs. If you can get your hand up there, you just push it in and it'll clip in. I need both hands, so I'm gonna put the phone down. Okay, guys, so we've got the clips back in here. So if you see that there's this little hook right here, and these two ends are these little clamps. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna stick this hook in first, push the clamp up, and I think I missed actually. Yeah. Okay, so you want to make sure this is all the way in first. There we go. And then just push up and it'll clip in. And then you will do the other one the exact same. Push that clamp, that little corner piece in. Make sure it lines up perfectly. It should line up perfectly flush like that. And you just push that in. Okay, and so we've got these installed, and we've got red lights in here now. Like I said, I will link these below. I don't know how these last long term, but anyways, that's how you install these dome lights in your cab. Hope this video helped. I know a lot of you were asking how to remove these plastic pieces, so I hope this video helps. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the back installed, but yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.